In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appear offline on Slack in just 5 minutes. Whether you're trying to step away for some uninterrupted focus time or simply need a break from being constantly available, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. First things first, head over to the Slack website, which is renowned for its robust AI work management and productivity tools. If you're not already at Slack, open your web browser and type in Slack's URL, or simply do a quick web search for Slack. Once there, navigate to the upper right corner of the Slack homepage. You should spot the option to sign in. For a seamless sign-in experience, click on Sign In with Google. This is especially handy if your workspace has synced its accounts with Google services. It takes away the hassle of typing in separate credentials, and in just a click, you're good to go. After you've successfully logged in, the next step is to proceed to your Slack dashboard. This is where all your channels, messages, and direct interactions with your team members happen. Think of it as the central hub of your Slack experience. You can usually find your dashboard by clicking on the workspace name, typically located on the top left side of the interface. Now focus your attention on your profile icon. It usually sits conveniently in the upper right section of your dashboard. A single click on that icon will reveal a drop-down menu brimming with options you might find useful. But for now, our sole focus is on making you appear offline. In the drop-down menu, look for the option labelled Set Yourself as Away. This is your key to appearing offline without having to completely log out or turn off your notifications. Clicking this option signals to your colleagues that you're currently away or unavailable, and it also changes the small status icon next to your name to indicate your new status. It's a perfect way to keep your peace without cutting communication completely, as you'll still receive messages and updates, though your availability is kept under wraps. And there you have it, you're now appearing offline on Slack. You can carry on with your tasks without interruptions, while still being in the loop. If you ever need to switch back to active status, simply click on your profile icon again and choose Set Yourself as Active. It's as simple as that. I hope this guide has been helpful and has made navigating Slack a little easier for you. Until next time, enjoy your newfound freedom and focus time.